Hey y'all, Night Reaper here, 2 World Radio 9292, aka Kilo Romeo 92, Victor Alpha on CB, and WSEN 923 on GMRS. We've got the RADTEL 890 here, and we're going to show you how to change that bootload and message screen. So today we're going to show you how to get the programming software to program your RT890 if you didn't upload the custom firmware. But if you did upload the custom firmware, it will still work for the bootloader screen and for your message when you turn it on. But you may have issues with the programming part. But I use Chirp under Rouage and it works fine. All right, so I'm going to do the first part of this from my phone because I've already downloaded this on my computer. So I'm just going to show you how to get to the programming software that lets you change your load boot logo and your message. So we're at the RADTEL site. Hopefully you can see my touches on my phone as I'm touching. All right, up in the left-hand corner, we're going to hit the little 3 bars for the menu. And then we're going to hit support. When you get to support, here's your options. You're going to click the second one, software download. And you're going to scroll. This is all their software. And they do let people upload custom firmware to their website. And there is a custom firmware for this radio that has a waterfall and a spectrum scope. You may have seen it in my earlier preview video. And we'll slowly dive deeper and deeper into this. So we're going to scroll. Where are we at? All right, 890. Here we are. And then it's number 29. It's even numbered. So you're going to tap that and you're going to download it. All right, you want to get your Kenwood style cable out and get that hooked up to your radio. While I'm doing that, I just wanted to let y'all know there will be links below on the YouTube video showing you where to get the programming software, where you can buy one of these radios, some links to some of my pages. All right, so now we're going to go into our download folder and we're going to find that software folder. And we're going to extract all and unzip it. It will take a moment to extract. All right, as you can see, here it is extracting the folder. Once that is extracted, you do want to have the radio powered up. Have the radio on. All right, our extraction's finished. We're going to go ahead and click on that folder again. Once you open it up, keep clicking. I think there's one more click after this. And then you want to look for UV511. That's your programming software. There it is on the bottom. We're going to open that up. Once we get that opened up, you're going to start looking for your COM port. All right, so here it's asking, do you have permission to run this? Hit yes. All right. Now your program file is going to open up. Here's what I was just explaining before. We're hooking up everything. Make sure the radio is powered on like I said before. As you can see, this is the previous picture I had on the bootloader, as you saw in the preview. All right, I use COM port 6. I'm just going to double select that to be safe. Once I get the COM port 6 connected, I was just going up and showing y'all where to click on the COM port up top in the middle. All right, now this is where we're going to read the radio. That way you know it's connected. And then you see that second tab up there when we get back up there. That's where we're going to be going for the message and the bootloader screen. What we're specifically talking about in this video. All right, you might get a data error. I'm getting that because I have the custom firmware and the actual frequency programmer doesn't work with my radio. I might be able to figure that out eventually, but as of right now, I'm programming the frequencies with Chirp. It will only let you program FM. You can program AM, but you have to do it by hand. All right, so we're on the basic 1 tab. We're going to click import right there on the right. And we're going to find a photo. We want to use a photo, a picture, a logo, whatever you got you want to use. All right, so I'm just using one of my different emblems this time, just so you can see it really does change it on the radio, and I'm not just using the same picture. That way y'all can see step by step. This is all you got to do. Up in the right, you can see I have my call sign. That's where you can put your message line. You can type that in there. And when you hit right, you see it count up. It says completed, and that will write the name and the logo. And there you go. It's that simple, guys. Depending on what platform you're watching this on, don't forget to follow or subscribe. When I reach 1,000 followers on TikTok and YouTube, if you follow TikTok and subscribe to YouTube, you will be put in a drawing to win a free Cobra CB mobile radio. Don't forget to heart or like and to share and tell your friends about my page. Look forward to catching up with y'all next time. 73's the Night Reaper.